What's going on with the truckers? I need you guys to do a big favor for me when we talk about the trucking industry and the brotherhood and the sisterhood of trucking and how people say that that's not there anymore. Let's show people that it is still here. I have a friend. He's a great friend of mine. I'm proud to call him a friend, Tony Justice, and he has been trucking all of his life while sacrificing his time for his family, his loved ones, and doing his passion of country singing. And he has a new song out, and I just want to show a snippet of this. But he sings songs for truck drivers because he is one of us.
Hey, what's happening, mother truckers? Hope y'all having an awesome day. This is Tony Justice, and you're watching a snippet of my brand new music video for my new song called Life on 18 Wheels. Hope you guys enjoy it. And as always, speed safely.
This highway's more than blacktop. It's more than these white lines. It's more than just a living, y'all. It's my way of life. Just like my dad before me, I'm addicted to the road. Another day, another town, another long haul load. Slamming trucks, stop, coffee down.